Hey everyone, Chris here from the Hot Wheels Garage. Today we're checking out my top 5 from the 2020 A-Case. Let's get straight into it. So coming in at number 5, I've picked the 91 Mazda MX-5 Miata, and you can see here it's in that beautiful red color, a nice black interior. We've got that black die-cast base. We've got some details at the front for the headlights. We've got that Hot Wheels number plate, that big white circle on the side, as well as the Mazda decal and Ryu there as well under the Hot Wheels flame. You can see it's also got like a roll bar there on the inside. So this for me is the number 5 from the 2020 A-Case. It is a carryover from 2019 Hot Wheels Speed Graphics series. It was car 4 of 10, but this is definitely one of my top 5 from the 2020 A-Case. Now for car number 4, I've picked the 2005 Ford Mustang. It's from the Hot Wheels Dream Garage series, and this is a new series for 2020, and this here in yellow is really nice. You can see those black and orange details. We've got the blue window tint, we've got a nice black interior, and you can see those wheels. They've got a bronzy orange chrome on the rear rim and a silver chrome on the front. So this is really, this 2005 Ford Mustang is always a favorite casting of mine, but definitely here in this Hot Wheels Turbo series for 2020, it's a really cool car. So that is number 4 from the 2020 A-Case. Now number 3, I've picked the Road Bandit. It's a brand new casting for 2020. It's in the Hot Wheels Metro series. It's car 2 of 10. This is going to be a really popular casting for 2020. Already it's getting taken off the pegs quite quickly as soon as it shows up. But this first release of this casting is really cool. You can see those different color wheels on the front and the rear. We've got a whole lot of chrome work. Got that blue tinted window. The inside is chrome. You know, it's a really cool car, and I just can't get enough of it. It was really hard to pick a top 5, but this one definitely had to be in there, and it came in at number 3. So that is really cool, this Hot Wheels Road Bandit in the Hot Wheels Metro series. Now car number 2 from the 2020 A-Case here is this beautiful Nissan Skyline GTR BNR 32, and in this grey, gunmetal grey color. Wow, it's really cool. It was also a super treasure hunt in the A-Case, but this is just the regular mainline. You can see it's got those tinted windows. We've got that Skyline detail on the side, got that nice black interior. Those chrome wheels look really nice on this car. It was so hard to pick this only as number 2 out of my top 5 for the 2020 A-Case. It's just a really nice example. I'm really enjoying this car, and I cannot wait to get the Super Treasure Hunt version. Now car number 1 of the 2020 A-Case in my top 5 is this 98 Subaru Impreza 22B STI version. This is a brand new casting for 2020. It's in the Hot Wheels Turbo series, and this release in that metal flake blue is beautiful. It's wearing gold 10-spoke wheels. We've got a whole lot of detail on the front there for the headlights, the indicators, the Subaru symbol. Got that nice tinted window there. Again, on the rear, we've got more details for the tail lights, the Hot Wheels on the number plate, and we've got that grey base there, so we've got a little bit of exhaust that's grey. It's just really cool, and usually I'm not too excited about large spoilers on cars, but this one is sort of just right. It's not too big, not too small. It's a really nice spoiler on this car. So this for me is my number 1 of the 2020 A-Case. Now smash that thumbs up if you enjoyed my top 5 from the 2020 A-Case. Don't forget to subscribe so you too become part of the Hot Wheels Garage crew, but most importantly, go back, have a look at the unboxing from that 2020 A-Case, and then come back here and tell me which is your top 5 from the 2020 A-Case. Alright everyone, thanks for watching.